Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about one of the important pros of your academic syllabus, Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle. So, when we start this chapter, the first of all we should know because it is an autobiography of Albert Einstein. So, we should know a bit about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 1879 and is considered as the greatest theory physicist. His main contribution to physics was the theory of relativity. This led to a massive revolution in physics, and due to this, he is considered as the father of modern physics. He worked as a professor at the Berlin Academy of Sciences in Germany, but later he became a citizen of US. He played major role in making the atom bomb. He received the 1921 Nobel Prizes in Physics for his services to theoretical physics and especially for his discovery of the law of photoelectric effect. E is equal to mc square. This formula shows that energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Formula was derived due to Einstein's realization of how closely energy and a mass of the body is connected. This formula suggests that tiny amount of mass can be converted into huge amount of energy. The introduction of this chapter. Albert hated the education he received. He believed that learning fact is not education and says that it's not facts that matter, but ideas. He did not like studies, hated his school life, did not like the place where he lived, just wanted to escape from everything. So, the characters of this prose. The story is a part of the biography of Einstein. The story is the part of a biography of Einstein written by Patrick Pringle. The characters are Albert Einstein, as it is a biography. So, Albert Einstein is the main character, Mr. Braun, his history teacher, Yuri, his friend, Dr. Ernest Weil, a neurospecialist, Mr. Koch, mathematics teacher, Elsa, his cousin sister. Now, when we come to the summary of this lesson, few points we should always notify it down. Children, there are few important points as I will discuss about the summary of this chapter. The lesson begins with little Albert's encounter with his history teacher, where the history teacher is asking him about a particular date from the past. And as usual, our unattentive Albert does not know the answer. This moment leads us to a little speech given by Einstein in the class about what education should include and what they are being taught is irrelevant. It ends up in him being punished by the teacher, which again is not new. Then the lesson talks about how Albert disliked his neighborhood, because of all the slum violence and compared it to his best friend, Yuri's neighborhood, who did not like his either. Albert even expressed his worries to his cousin Elsa from Berlin, who thinks he can pass if he made a little effort. At this point, Albert starts strategizing his ways to get out of the school, and he suddenly gets an idea that involves a doctor who is willing to help him. He wanted the doctor to know that he had a nervous breakdown and prescribed that the root cause of it is school, and he shall stay as far away from it as he could. This is where Yuri agrees and sets up an appointment with his friend, a freshly qualified doctor who he warns is hard to be fooled. Albert thinks about his conversation with the doctor so much that at this point he is actually nervous. On meeting the doctor, he comes to know that Yuri has already told him everything and the doctor is ready to help him. The doctor understands how tiring school can be. As asks Albert his plans about, he gets out of school and realizes he is done no good to him or anyone by staying there. Thus, he hands him his medical certificate and in turn asks him to take Yuri out for a meal. Although excited Albert had no money to spare, he took Yuri out for supper. He is next seen with his maths teacher, who is giving him a referral to make it easier for him to get into a college for pursuing higher mathematics. Einstein had studied all the maths they teach in school and even some more. He is then summoned to the head teacher's room where he is told to walk away as hardly as any serious work can be accomplished. When he is around, as tempting it was for Albert to tell the head teachers the truth and what he thought about his school. He resisted it and walked straight out of the school with his head high. He said goodbye to his only friend Yuri, and Elsa was back in Berlin by that time. At last, Albert was out of the school. So, this is the matriculation certificate of Albert Einstein at Argue. There is a photo gallery of Albert Einstein. You can just observe that by the age, how he just went on. Now, the word comes, he still lives. On September, there is an extra information, children. He died on 17th April 1955. He experienced heavy internal bleeding caused by rupture on an abdominal aorta. He refuses to undergo the surgery as he was preparing for a television appearance. Okay, children, as we have discussed about all those things. So, thank you all of you and have a great day.